Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. The first step is to clear all junk and cache file. Right click on Start menu, click on Run, type preface, click on OK, click on Continue. You will find all junk file in preface. Just select all. All files are selected. Click on Shift Delete. Are you sure want to permanently delete these 328 items? Click on Yes. Close File Explorer. Now, second step. Again, right click on Start menu. Click on Run. Type temp. Click on OK. Click on Continue. Select all. Press Shift Delete. Click on Yes. Close File Explorer. Again, in third step, right click on Start menu, click on Run and type percentage temp. Again, percentage. Click on OK. Temporary files has been opened. Select all. Again, Shift Delete. Click on Yes. Now close File Explorer. Go for the last step. Right click on Start menu. Click on Run. Now type clean mgr. Now click on OK. Select all files here. Now click on OK. Click on Delete Files. Now cleaning up C drive. Hope this processes clean all cache and junk file from your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.